California custom motorcycle. This is an interview with Jim, the proud owner of this great-looking California custom motorcycle.
All right, tell me about your bike.
Started the project in 2000, finished it in 2003. It's an SNS 124, Royal Rider frame, all chrome moly, 124 cubic inch SNS, 6-speed DDL belt drive, 3 3/8 drag specialty, 5 3/4 gallon gas tank, inverted front end, 140 horsepower to the rear wheel.
Wow, let's take a look at this baby.
And now it hurts again.
If you're the owner of a California custom motorcycle like Jim's here, hey, contact us through the website. We might be able to do a video interview like this for you. Be sure to visit our very popular motorcycle blog. It's San Diego Custom Motorcycles.info. And when you're there, mark it as one of your favorites. Also, be sure to get a subscription to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hey, thanks for watching.